Toshiba C350 Smart 4K TV, striking 4K clarity redefines every view. REGZA engine 4K with ultra essential PQ technology combined with high quality LCD panel. It provides the incredible clear Ultra HD 4K images and stunning pictures quality for ultimate viewing. Ultra Essential PQ technology analyzes every pixel of each scene and adjusts the picture's parameters to dig out the maximum potential details and reproduce stunning pictures quality. Adaptive dimming, adaptive contrast features that optimizes overall images with darker black and brighter white. HDR10 show more details of the images via richer color, performance and brightness adjustment. REGZA Power Audio enjoy well-balanced sound for more excitement. Dolby Audio makes sound clear, richer and more powerful. DTS Visual X delivers an immersive audio experience with multi-channel virtual surround sound. Hello friends, I hope you like my video. Please subscribe my channel and if you have any question, comment in our comment section.